You always come back when I'm healing, right when my heart starts feeling light. You show up with soft apologies, acting like you finally see the light. You use the words that used to melt me, say my name like it's still yours. Standing in the doorway quiet, like you're who I'm praying for. But your timing ain't divine, it's calculated, cold and slow. You only miss me when you feel me letting go. You pull me back, hovering like a magnet to my chest. You whisper what I'm craving, just to steal my breath. You rub me in carefully, like you practice every line. But baby, this time I see it. Your longing ain't the same as mine. You claim you've been doing work, saying I've been talking to your soul, but your change feels temporary, like a show you can't control. You touch me like you're worshiping, kiss me like you need me home. But love don't live in moments, it's in actions you've never shown. You want the worth, not the truth. You want the comfort, not the cost. You want the version of me bleeding, cause you miss the girl you love. You pull me back, hovering like a magnet to my chest. You whisper what I'm craving, just to steal my breath. You rub me in carefully, like you practice every line. But baby, this time I see it. Your longing ain't the same as You call me late at midnight saying, God, I need you close. But spiritual talk means nothing if the fruit ain't ever shown. And yeah, your voice still shakes me, but my spirit's finally strong. And I can feel them in the silence telling me, daughter, move on.